Nearly half of Generation Z will spend 10 hours per day on a device, and 71% will watch over 3 hours of online videos. With incoming freshmen living these digital lives, connecting with them on a digital platform could be what sets you apart from other colleges and universities. But have no fear, even in this digital world, you can still get FaceTime with students and build relationships through video messaging. Videos attract attention, making you stand out and better convey your message. By using the CoVideo mobile app, you can take these videos on the go to show off your campus. For example, you can highlight a dorm room or even a landmark. Recording a video is simple. In the app, just hit the record button and film your message. When you're done, you can trim the video and give it a title. In the video library, you can send it out through email or text message. And it's that easy to build a connection with future students and set yourself apart. If using video has piqued your interest, feel free to contact us here at CoVideo.